A special thank you to Alyssa Milano, founder and president of the Feminist Majority, Carol Jenkins, president of the ERA Coalition, and a very special thank you to my colleagues in Congress, Jackie Spear, Brenda Lawrence, Lois Frankel, all co-chairs of the Women's Caucus. Senator Ben Cardin is expected to be here, and the Honorable Jennifer McClellan from the great state of Virginia that was the last to ratify the Equal Rights Amendment. Since it was first introduced and passed by Congress, we have fought for equality of rights under the law. We have fought for this simple language to be included in our Constitution, the language of the Equal Rights Amendment, and I quote, "Equality of rights under the law shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or any state on account of sex. The U.S. Congress shall have the power to enforce by appropriate legislation the provisions of this article." It's very fair, straightforward, and I keep asking myself, why has it been 100 years that we've been fighting to get this in the Constitution? But we now finally have gotten the ERA ratified by 38 states, needed for adoption into the U.S. Constitution, and now it's time for the Archivist of the United States to do his part and certify the ERA as the law requires. Yeah. That's why I have sent a letter to the Archivist, several, urging him to certify the ERA without delay. We are expecting and are honored to have the Speaker of the House coming to speak, but we're going to move forward because we have a robust set of speakers, and we will stop the minute that she can get here. So we are going to start with the head of the ERA Coalition, Carol Jenkins. She's the CEO and president, and she will be one of our witnesses today. Carol Jenkins.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Chair Maloney, for your astounding and stalwart leadership on the issue of equal rights in the United States of America. So many of us doing this work understand one thing, that the root of any sexism or racism that we are facing in this country now lies in the Constitution. That's the way it was written, and that is what has caused us problems throughout centuries. So until we amend the Constitution, until we fix it, we will continue to be doing repair work for the kinds of discrimination against so many populations, including women. It is time to enact the ERA. As Chair Maloney says, it is time for the archivist to publish it. Our children are waiting for this. We cannot go through another 100 years, and that's how long we've been waiting for this. We just cannot do it. We have to step up and say, our children, our women who are suffering with sexual abuse, paid inequity, all kinds of discrimination deserve better than this, and they can get better than this by enacting the Equal Rights Amendment. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you, Chair Maloney, for your leadership.
Thank you for yours. And we'll now hear from Alyssa Milano, the president and founder of the Feminist Majority, also a hearing witness, former president of NOW, during many years of the fight for the ERA. Alyssa Milano, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank
your
you,
leadership.
Congresswoman Maloney, and thank you for your leadership. This is it. The ERA has been ratified by the necessary 38 states. We want immediately for the National Archivist to certify it. We have 6 generations of people have fought for this amendment, and now there's no question that the overwhelming numbers of people in our own country, and the polls were at over 74% right now, but we're frequently in the 80s and the 90s. There's consensus that women and gender equality should be ratified and in the Constitution, and it's needed. When we first started, I started my fight for this and our fight for this in 1971, over 50 years ago. And basically, when we started, one of the retorts of our opposition was, "You don't need it." Well, history has shown we do need it. And here we are in the 21st century, and we've gone through the courts got Title VII or Title IX, and then we have to restore it. We keep going back and forth. We want it settled once and for all so that people will not be cheated in pay, in Social Security, in sexual harassment cases. I could go on. So many areas. This is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and we should be eliminating domestic violence. The courts have weakened the Violence Against Women Act. The Equal Rights Amendment would make it stronger. We need it, and we want it, and we know that we have won.
Yes. All right.
Thank you.
Right arm.
Alyssa Milano is an actress, ERA advocate, writer, and she will be one of our hearing witnesses. She testified earlier at a shadow hearing that we had when we could not get a real hearing. Is the leader coming right now? Well, then we're gonna wait for Speaker Pelosi, if you don't mind. Here she comes.
I don't mind at all.
And I think that we should give her a standing ovation. It's a good thing that we're all. We are so honored to have the first woman Speaker of the United States Congress here with us today. We are so honored that she could find the time in her busy schedule to be with us. We know how important the Equal Rights Amendment is to her. The great Speaker, Nancy Pelosi.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much, Carolyn, for your kind words, but more importantly, for your relentless, persistent leadership to ratify the Equal Rights Amendment. I'm honored to be here with you and so many champions on this: Carol Jenkins, Ellie Smeel, Alyssa Milano, Jackie Spear, Bambi Salcedo, Brenda Lawrence, Senator Jennifer McClellan, Lois Frankel, Kim Russell, Kristen Eunice, and Senator Ben Cardin.
Someplace.
On his way, of Maryland. I named those names because this is a struggle, and it took work, and for a long time women have been working, not waiting, but working to get this done, and our allies as well. 50 years ago, the House passed the Equal Rights Amendment in a vote that was 354 to 24. 354 to 24, a strong bipartisan bill taking us to the cusp of the ratification. Now we have completed all of the states, putting us on the track to achieve constitutional equality for all, as these hearings have been aptly called. Again, we're pleased to be here with the tremendous leadership working on all of this. Carolyn Maloney, Jackie Spear, Brenda Lawrence, Lois Frankel, they have been such champions in the Congress on all of this. But I think we would all agree that a day doesn't go by, that an opportunity is never missed for Carolyn Maloney to make this point.
Yes.
Thank you,
Right.
Carolyn. And so, all the things we talk about, 100 years and 1 year after women have had the right to vote, we still do not have it, ERA, enshrined in the Constitution. Why not? What's the thing? So today, again, we take a step toward equality for women, progress for families, and a stronger America. Because as we believe, when women succeed, America succeeds. Thank you all.
Bravo. In recognition of his schedule, I'll now introduce the great Senator Ben Cardin, who is our champion in the Senate. Thank you, Ben. Thank you for coming.
Carolyn, first of all, thank you so much. It's so great to be here with my colleagues. Madam Speaker, it's always an honor to be with you. There's no time limit on equality. We're well past time to get the ERA ratified in our Constitution. 38 states have ratified the Equal Rights Amendment. In the Senate, I'm working with Senator Murkowski. It's bipartisan in the Senate. We want to get it done now. From 1972, we've been working on the Equal Rights Amendment, It's well past time. No more excuses. Let's get it done. I'm honored to join my colleagues that are with us today. We're here to speak up for equality. Women's rights are human rights. We got to get it done now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bravo! 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 Alyssa Milano.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody, so much for being here. I just want to take a moment to recognize how historic this is, and for me personally to be here amongst so many of my heroes. It just means the world to me. And I just want to say that in 2021, I still don't have equality under the Constitution. But today we are taking an important step forward with these incredible activists and witnesses who will be testifying under the incredible leadership of Congresswoman Maloney. So I think it is time for the Constitution to reflect the first three words: we the people. Not we the men, we the people. Well, I'll share a few words about why the ERA matters. It's important to know that the hearing today is not a debate about the ERA. The debate is over. We won. Enough states have ratified the ERA to make it part of the Constitution. Equality is not an issue of party. It is not an issue of politics. It is an issue of human dignity. The Equal Rights Amendment is a powerful and simple statement. We are all equal. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Jackie Spear.